everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Eileen, and if you're new here, welcome, and subscribe and like. Please help my channel grow and my business grow. Today I am making some Mohair leave-in conditioner. So these are all my supplies. I have glass bottles. I also have plastic bottles. I have some measuring beakers, and so I can measure I use distilled water. I never know how to say this, jojoba oil, or jojoba oil, I don't know. Anyway, I use that. I use vitamin E. I use baby powder oil. I have a antimicrobial liquid that I add so it doesn't grow any fungus or bacteria. And I have vegetable glycerin. I have shea butter. I have emulsifying wax, and that's to help everything blend really well. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, my distilled water. And I also have a little scale that I can measure down to the half gram. So I'm getting ready to do that now. I'll see you in a bit. And then here's my scale, and I put my distilled water into one of the beakers with the glycerin, and then I measure out to the grams, and I put emulsifying wax and the jojoba oil and the shea butter in, and then my water over here is boiling. So what I'm going to do is put the flame down some, and I'm going to put both of these in here, and we're going to wait till they heat up and everything in here liquefies. Let me turn it down a little more. So that's going to take a couple minutes. It's not until after everything is heated and this is all melted that I mix the two together. And then once it cools, I beat it till it's frothy, and then I add the antimicrobial liquid, and the vitamin E and the baby powder oil. So I'm sorry, I'm holding my phone right now and it's not working out too well. So I'm going to go and I'm going to stir these, and then I'm going to mix them when they liquefy and heat, and we'll be back. All right, so we have liquefaction here, and we're going to take and we're going to mix it. I always feel like a chemist doing this. Feels so cool. And then I take and I stir and mix it really well. And we let it heat for a couple minutes. So I'm going to go and mix with my right hand. Right now I'm holding the phone with my right hand, and I need my right hand. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so it's all nice and cooled down now, and I've stirred it till it's nice and frothy. And once the froth subsides, then I'm going to add these 3 ingredients. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're going to add the antimicrobial And we are going to add 4 grams. Oof, I need to buy more of this. Oh, there we go. It's 4 grams. And we're going to add 1. Oh, now it turned back to 3. Sorry about that. There we go. And then we're going to add 1 gram of the vitamin E. So for a total of 5. Oh, we went out. So till we're 1. There we go. And then we're going to add in the baby powder. Oop, spilt a tad bit. And we're going to mix it. And then I'm going to put it in its little bottles. I'll meet you upstairs. Okay, so then I'm not upstairs yet, sorry. This is my bottle that I use here at home. This is a 2-ounce plastic bottle that I put the, I sell 2-ounce bottles and 4-ounce bottles. So, whoops, sorry about that. This is my 4-ounce bottle. And we're going to take and pour that in here. And I have enough, I think, for another 2-ounce bottle. Oh, might come up a little short. No, I didn't. Alrighty. And then I have my stickers that I'm going to put on. And now we'll meet you upstairs. Alright, so then what we're going to do is I make these on my Cricut. And we're going to take the bigger label off. And we're going to go ahead and put that on the 4-ounce bottle. And there you go. I don't know why my video's looking weird. I'm having problems with my phone. And, yeah. And I take the smaller ones and I put them on the 2-ounce bottle. And there we go. And that is how I make my Mohair conditioner. And I'll show you how I spray it onto the doll's head. All right, I'm going to show you here on my doll Felicia. You can see how unruly her hair is. And I'm going to take, this is baby Felicia. She is adorable. And Gundren Legler is the sculpt, and she's number 896 out of 1500. I don't know why my video looks so horrible. You take my dolls, I just spray it right on, but like when I'm selling a doll and I'm doing the hair, I don't spray it directly onto the hair or the head. I go ahead and I put it on the toothbrush and comb it. So her hair is quite a mess. She has hair that gets matted pretty easily. So I'm going to just go ahead and make some little curls. Actually, her hair, I find I can like style better with my hands or my fingers. Now I will go ahead and comb and brush this part out. But let me take the phone out of here so I can show you what I'm doing here. Oops. So this is her cute little face. And it's kind of hard to style it with just one hand, but it really, you can spray it on wet hair or dry hair. You can let it dry, and it, even when it dries without brushing it out, it'll still look wet. Or you can let it dry and then brush it out, you know. But I really like this. I actually I use this for my hair too, minus the powder smell. But yeah, so, but she's adorable. Yeah, so that is my Miracle Leave-In Mohair conditioner. This is the bottle that I keep here, and I'll be right back. I want to show you what I picked up at Walmart today. All right, now you can see it a little better. Isn't she cute? She's adorable. I think what happened was I must have touched the back of the lens here, and it was a little smeared, but I cleaned it off, and now we can actually see. So I'll be right back. So just a quick little show. I bought this adorable little sleeper. It's got Bambi, and it's got a little pocket and little stripes on the feet. It's adorable, and I love this little sleeper. It is so cute. Got them at Walmart, and I got little shoes to match. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. I love them. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you with my next video. Hopefully the rooting needles will come in and I'll be able to get Avery's head rooted and finish that doll, and then I'm going to start Ronan. I got him all prepped, but I am going to start him this weekend since I've just been working a lot this week. So it's been a real eventful week also. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. I love you all. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking. And I hope to see you back. Bye. So I said goodbye a little too early. Just wanted to let you also know that even though it has the emulsifying wax in it, it does start to separate. It easily mixes back up when you shake it. And I have that on the label to shake well before each use. I don't know if you can see that. So now, mwah, love y'all. See ya. Bye.